Hello everyone. So for today's tutorial, we are using one of our newest suedes in the shade Saddle, as well as our low volume shaper, the Boo Boo TV. I'll put all descriptions below. We are going to start by putting the wrap on and having one side be much shorter than the other side. Next, we are going to hold the tails taut, bring them up, and do a twist. And we're gonna have this short portion just hang out right over here while we work with the long one. Make sure that the correct side of the suede is facing outwards. And then we're gonna bring it around. And then you're just gonna keep taking it around until you can't take it anywhere else. And then you are going to tuck it into itself right here. Then we're gonna work with this tail, again, making sure that the correct side of the suede is facing outwards. I'm gonna fix the center right now. And then if this portion ends up being even longer than this, what you can do is just fold it, that way it'll become shorter. And then when you fold it into itself, you're gonna take the two corner pieces and you're gonna tuck them right here into the tails that you had wrapped around. And then take a quick look, adjust anything that needs to be adjusted. If you want this to like lay flat a little bit more, you can always pin it into place, but I'm happy with how it lays generally. And then making this a little bit more centered. And here we have it. This is what it looks like over the low volume. Very soft, very comfortable. I did it more of like a casual look today, but you can easily make this look like perfect for like fancier events. And the suede is absolutely beautiful. I know you know, because you've been loving them. And that is all. I hope you enjoyed.